And Moksha, okay, be alert and just listen to me for the solution step by step. You write 3
Yes,
as
sir.
it is. 3 as it is. The question reads that 3 multiplied with 27 to the power of n plus 1 plus 9 into 3 to the power of 3n minus 1 whole divided by 8 into 3 to the power of 3n minus 5 into 27 to the power of n. Okay, this is the problem. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, okay, you just look at where are your bigger number, two digit numbers or larger numbers. One, we have 27 as one big number. 9 is one big number which can be simplified. 8 is again one more big number. Again 27 is
And
one more big number, right?
yes, sir.
Yeah. The concept says clearly that whenever you get large numbers in the base, somewhere there you have to note it down in your notebook. Okay, of course I'm going to upload this video to my YouTube also. Doesn't not a matter, but at the same time you need to maintain your separate notebook to maintain or to note down some of my most what is called as important instructions to solve such kind of problems. You say 27, this needs to be simplified. 3 na we cannot do anything. 3 maximum we can write 3 as 1 into 3. That is of no use. You keep 3 as it is. Now this 27 we have written this as 3 into 3 into 3. Understood? Moksha?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Plus. Okay, 3 into 3 into 3 whole raised to the power of n plus 1. We have written like this. Plus we have taken 9, right?
Yes, sir. That is 3 into 3.
3 into 3 again into 3 to the power of 3n minus 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Hello, somebody,
Yes, sir.
some intermediate voice in between, please see that you stay away from your domestic disturbances for another 45-50 minutes or so. Now come to the denominator. We have 8 here, right? 8 can be simplified as what? 2 into 2 into 2. Right?
Yes, sir. Got it.
So now 3 to the power of 3n. You cannot do anything much about this 3. Okay. 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, these are all your lucky numbers. Okay, you need not do, you cannot do anything much about these numbers. Cannot be simplified. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 19. Okay, and like that. Now, if you say 8, it is written as 2 into 2 into 2. Understood?
Yes, sir. Got it.
3 to the power of 3n minus 5 as it is. Again 27. Okay, they have written this as 3 into 3 into 3 to the power of n. This
Yes, sir.
step, have you understood?
Yes, sir. I understood this step.
Anybody, any questions in the group? Anyone, any questions in the group? I am asking it again and again.
No
I don't
question,
mind
sir.
explaining it 10 times more. I said it already. I want you people to learn it better. I don't mind it repeating, okay, more times. I don't mind it again as I'm telling the same thing. Only thing is you should get the concept. Other core understanding gothagbitre, okay, any of the problem can be solved easily. That core idea is to simplify the base. Getting my point? The core idea, look at the chat box. The core idea is to simplify the base in the first order. Then you can apply the law. of indices, right? Understood? Now, shall I continue with the next step? If you say yes, I'll continue. Hello?
Yes, you can
Yes,
continue.
sir.
Yeah. Now 3 again, you write it as it is. This 3 into 3 into 3, you can write it 3 to the power of 3. Agreed?
Agreed, sir.
Yeah. Now 3 to the power of 3 whole raised to the power of n plus 1. Agreed? Yes? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah. Now this 9 is written as 3 into 3 and that is nothing but 3 square. Yes?
Yeah, sir. 3 square.
3 square and this is 3 to the power of 3n minus 1.
2, we can take it as 2 cube, no, sir?
Yeah, now this 2 to the 8, you can write it as 2 power 3, denominator, right?
Yes, sir.
2 to the power of 3 and this is 3 to the power of 3n minus 5 and this is 3 to the power of 3 whole to the power of n.
Yes,
Agreed?
sir.
Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Any questions?
No, sir. No doubt still here.
No, no doubt. Still here, everything is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, you look at the denominator. Okay, you have all common bases, right? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, this is 3 into 3 to the power of 3n plus 1. A to the power of m whole to the power of n. A to the power of mn. Which is this? I think fourth law. Sumedh? Is it fourth law that we are applying? Now we are applying laws here. Now we are applying what? Laws. Now,
Is the
yeah, that is 3 to the power of 3n plus 3 and this becomes 3 to the power of 3n plus 3 and we have one more 3 to the power of 1 here and that 1 and 3 becomes 4. 3 to the power of 3n plus 3 plus 4. Have you understood this step?
Sir, can you repeat this step again, sir?
Here you will get 3 to the power of 3n plus 3.
Yeah, sir.
You focus only on this 3 to the power of 3 to the power of n plus 1.
Yeah.
Okay, if you focus only on this, you will get 3 to the power of 3n plus 3.
3n plus 3.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir.
That is 3 to the power of 3n. Okay, into 3 to the power of 1. Right?
Yeah. Yeah.
And we have one more, okay, what is called as this 3 to the power of 1 here.
3 to the power of 1.
1. Now, we have 3 to the power of 3n plus 3 and we have 1 and 1 instead of 4 it becomes 2. There is some problem here. 3 to the power of 3n plus 3 and plus 2. Understood or not?
Sir, I think that should become 3 to the power 3n plus 3 plus 1, sir.
Okay, 3 to the power of 3n plus 3 plus 1.
Plus 1.
Okay, and we have one more 3 here. You can better you do one thing. Okay, don't mix it up with this 3. You can take the constant as it is. Hello? Hello? Moksha?
Yes, sir.
3 to the power of 3n plus 3, you take it as it is. Write down. 1 second. Okay, here I cannot type it also. There is some problem. You have to simplify this. 3 to the power of 3n plus 3 into 3 to the power of 1. Right? Now this becomes 3 to the power of 3n plus 3, and this power 1. Okay, this becomes what to say, how to explain this?
Sir, it becomes 3 to the power of 3n plus 3 plus 1. That becomes 3 to the power of 3n plus 4.
Yeah, 3 to the power of 3n plus. Yeah.
Base is common. Base is common. So
Base is
a
common.
to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of mn.
Mn, that's right. But okay, the question is how we are getting 4 here, Anta. 3 to the power of 3n plus 3.
Sir, 3 to the power of 3n plus 3 is there. Other
Okay.
we add plus 1. 3 plus 1 becomes 4. So 3 to the power of 3n plus 4.
Okay.
But I guess, sir, there is a mistake in what Moksha has written, because if 3 times 3 to the power of 3 whole times n plus 1, it becomes 3 to the power of 3n plus 3, sir. Because 3 times 1 and 3 times n becomes 3n plus 3. She has added 1 4 already. Like, she has considered it as 4 as
2 times she has added, right?
Yeah, sir. 2 times she has added. That's why she has an extra number instead of
Extra
1. She
number.
just...
That's there exactly. Okay, it is confused. Okay, just wait a second. Okay, you please, Sumit. Okay, solve it and put it in the image box from that step onwards. From that step onwards, you solve it and put it in the chat box.
Yeah, sir. I'm sharing it right away.
Okay. You have written 2 times. That is the problem.
Yeah, sir, got it.
Yeah, see here 3n plus 3, and this is 3 plus 1. Sumit?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. This is 3n plus 3 plus 1. This is 4. Understood?
Yeah,
Moksha?
sir. I got the point, sir.
Yeah. I'm asking Moksha.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Moksha?
Yeah, sir, got it.
You have repeated the number. That is why where exactly are getting confused.
Yeah, sir, for that reason only I got confused.
Yeah, you got confused and you made me confused. You made me worry also. Okay, how such numbers can be repeated? Okay, it's about 3 to the power of 3n plus 4. 3 to the power of 3n plus 4. Straight away you can write. You got it?
Yes,
Shall I
sir.
continue? Now, yeah, next. This is 3 to the power of 2 into 3 to the power of 3n minus 1. This becomes 3 to the power of 3n minus 1 plus 2. You are applying the law. Moksha, you are getting it?
Yeah, sir, getting it.
Yeah, 3 to the power of 3n minus 1 plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2 is plus 1. Minus 1 plus 2 is 2 minus 1, like it is 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is 3 to the power of 3n plus 1. Now divided by, okay, numerator is cleared? Numerator
Yes,
is
sir.
cleared? Yeah. Now you can continue here. Denominator 2 to the power of 3 into 3 to the power of 3n minus 5 into 3 to the power of 3n. You cannot do much here because of different bases. Okay, because of different bases, you cannot do much here. Okay, you can continue till here. That is 3 to the power of 3n plus 4 plus 3 to the power of n plus 1. We cannot do much simplification here because of, okay, the plus in between. And also the n and the n, we cannot apply any law. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now this becomes 2 to the power of 3 and this is 3 to the power of 3n. Last answer. Sumedh, you send me the final answer.
Yeah, I've shared it, sir. I've shared 3 images. Like
You have
the
shared
whole
3 images. Okay.
yeah. There's
And
the next image and the next image.
okay,
It's
one
there.
second. I'll go to the second image now. Yeah, this is 3 to the power of 3n plus 4 plus this 1 is because of minus 2. 1 and minus 2. Okay, that is 2 minus 1, that is plus 1. And this 2 to the power of 3 into 3 to the power of 3n minus 5. And okay, we have taken some common items here. 3 to the power of 3n and 3 to the power of 3n is also common here. And if you say 3 to the power of 3n common is taken, you will get 3 to the power of 4. And here this is 3 to the power of 1. And again, if you say common in the denominator, 3 to the power of 3n and 2 to the power of 3 and minus 5. Have you understood this step? Hello?
Got it.
Got it? Understood?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Yeah. Now you can cancel straight away 3 to the power of 3n and 3 to the power of 3n straight away you can cancel.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now 3 to the power of 4, 81 plus 3, that is 84. See, there you can cancel and that becomes 1. Okay, this is 81 plus 3 is 84 and divided by 3, that is 28. Got it?
Yes, sir.
No problem?
Problem, sir.
Anybody, anyone having any questions regarding this? Anyone in the group? You have any, specific question directly, you can call me, you can text me, you can chat with me. Okay, you can watch my YouTube channel. Okay, you will be getting all the images over there itself. And in spite of that, if you have any queries, you can talk to me directly. There is no need of sharing with anybody else. Okay, straight away I can solve your problem. Okay, you can talk to me directly. I have given you so much of freedom. Okay, I'm so much open-minded. You can talk to me directly saying that, okay, this is what the problem and okay, we need maybe the kind of repetition, maybe the kind of revision, or I can give you individual attention and I can okay, solve the problem on one-to-one basis. If you talk to me, if you call me, I can give you the answer. All these problems are just because of lack of offline mode of teaching. Offline iddidre board mele baradbiಟ್ಟು allale solve ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡಬಹುದಾಗಿತ್ತು. But what to do? This COVID-19 is not permitting us to meet on one-to-one basis. Physical mode of teaching is totally disappeared. This is the problem. Okay, have you got it? Understood? Hello?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay, no problem then. Can I continue with the next one?
Sure, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Whose question is next? Nagadanush? Nagadanush?
Sir? Sir,
Yeah,
sir.
please share it, man. I think you said you have solved the question.
Yes, sir.
Please share it in the chat box. If anybody is having the problem, you can just call my number, no problem. After the class, I will answer you. I'll direct you how to solve it.
Sir, I have said it, sir, but I don't know if it is correct or wrong, sir.
No problem. Don't worry. Don't worry about the correctness. You just share it. Don't worry about the mistakes.
I have said it, sir.
Shared it. Okay, wait. Okay, Vishwas. Okay, I'm okay. Vishwas, you shared the previous one, right? Vishwas? Vishwas? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes,
ಇದು
sir.
ಹಳೆ ಇದು ಹಳೆ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿದ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ತಾನೇ ಇದು?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಇವಾಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ ಸರ್ ನಾನು.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಸುಮೇಧು ಮೋಕ್ಷ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಲ್ವಾ ಇದು?
ಹ್ಞೂ ಸರ್, ಹ್ಞೂ.
Okay, please try to teach your friends also, Vishwas. Okay, teach them the logics. Okay, how to go.
ಸರ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಲಾನ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅಂತ ಇದು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಹುಡುಕಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸರ್.
Very good. No problem. That's what exactly logics is all about. Yeah. Now, please. Image is very much blur. I don't know what to do. Nagadanush.
ಸರ್ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಸರ್, ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮಿಷ.
ಇಮೇಜ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಬ್ಲರ್ ಇದೆ ಕಣ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಸರಿ ಸರ್.
ಬೇರೆ ಕಳ್ಸಪ್ಪ. I can just read it. Okay, ನಾನು ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಸ್ ಪವರ್ ಬೇರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲ ಇದು. ಓಕೆ, root pth root of x to the power of n into x to the power of m by p into qth root of x to the power of n, if I am right. Okay, denominator ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ. Okay, please use some good pen. ಬೋಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿ ನಗಧನುಷ್. ನಾನು ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಸ್ ಪವರ್
ಕಳ್ಸಿದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್, ಅದು ಕಾಣಿಸಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದಾ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿರಪ್ಪ. Yeah, this is bit okay. Yeah, this is okay, fine. Yeah, to some extent I can manage with this. Please write down this problem, all of you. Moksha, Sumedh, all of you write down this problem. How many are there in the class? I don't know. Whenever I go to the image mode, I cannot look at the number of participants or number of students in the class. Adu manakagala. Okay, please copy this problem. Have we copied it? Is it visible? ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದು?
Sir, I have sent the question separately. It is visible, sir.
You have sent the question separately. Wait a minute. Yeah, please write down this question. All of you write down this. All of you write down this. Pth root of x to the power of n into x to the power of m by p into qth root of x to the power of n divided by qth root of x to the power of minus m into x to the power of n minus 1 into x to the power of m plus 1. Have you taken this? Have we copied the problem? All of you? Hello? Hello? Please copy.
Yes,
the
sir.
copy. Okay, shall I close this image? If you have copied it. Hello? Please answer, man.
Yeah,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
you can close, sir.
I can close the image, right? Yeah. Now I take up with this Sumet's solution part. Sorry, Nagadanush's. Yeah. Nagadanush. Nagadanush.
Sir,
ನೀನು ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಪೆನ್ ಎಂತದ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಬೋಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತದೆ, ಆ ಪೆನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕೆಚ್
sir,
ಪೆನ್ ಯೂಸ್
ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಮಾಡು. ಓಕೆ,
ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಇರೋದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿ ಸರ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಂಗ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ sir.
ಅದೇ
Next
ಅದೇ
time-
ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಪೆನ್ ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೋಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ,
okay.
ಆ ಮಾರ್ಕರ್ ಪೆನ್ನು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಕೆಚ್ ಪೆನ್ಗಳು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಟಿಪ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದಾಗಿರೋ ಆ ತರದ್ದು ಪೆನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಯುವರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಫೈನ್. Okay, very much neatly explained. Only thing is, okay, blurriness ಇಂದ ನನಗ್ ಕಾಣಲ್ಲ, ನಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಸ್ ಪವರ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ.
Okay, sir, okay. No problem,
ಓಕೆ,
sir.
ತುಂಬಾ ಹೈ ಪವರ್ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಾನು. 14,500 rupees ನಂದು ಇದು ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇದು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. Progressive and okay, so much complicated. Now, if you say pth root of x to the power of n, listen to me all of you carefully, this can be written as x to the power of n into 1 by p. Have you understood the first step? Hello? Have you understood
Yes.
the first
Yes, sir.
step of simplification, Moksha? Anybody else
Yes.
there in the group? All of you have understood? Okay, if anybody is not followed this first step of simplification, please send me the message in the chat box. I'll just look into that. Okay, shall I continue now? Hello? Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. X to the power of this becomes n by p. N into 1 by p is n by p. We have a law. Nth root of a is equal to a to the power of 1 by n. You know this relation? Hello?
Yeah, sir.
Nth root of a is equal to nth root of a is equal to a to the power of 1 divided by n. That root when value ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, that becomes 1 by ಅಂತ ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದು ಹಂಗೆ ತರ ಆಗಿರೋದು. p root ಇದೆ, that is 1 by p, and as usual into n, that is n by p. And here x to the power of m by p into x to the power of 1 by q. It is qth root, right? This is qth root, right, all of you? Qth root ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ that becomes 1 by q. Agreed?
Yeah,
Agreed,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Now go to the denominator. This is x to the power of minus m divided by q again. X to the power of minus m and into 1 by q. Understood? Hello?
Understood.
Have you followed the denominator?
Yes, sir.
Moksha is not replying. Moksha, understood?
Yes, sir.
Any questions? Any dilemma?
No, sir.
Any
No.
any ambiguity?
No, sir.
Any kind of inconvenience in understanding the
No.
sum? Any kind of inconvenience?
No, sir.
Okay.
Understood.
Yeah. This is x to the power of minus m into 1 by q into x to the power of n minus 1. You can just keep it like that, no problem. After that, okay, while taking common basis into account, we can simplify this. And this becomes x to the power of m plus 1. Look at this. Numerator is also, you have all common bases. Denominator also, we have all common bases. Have you noticed it? One second.
Yeah, sir.
Followed, sir.
Yeah, see, we have, look at my chat box. We look at my chat box comment, all of you. We have common bases. Both in numerator and denominator. Right? Yes? Now, because of this reason, you can simplify this problem very easily. Very easily, you can simplify this. Now, you just go there and apply the law. A to the power of m into a to the power of n into a to the power of p, you can say, because there are three terms involved. Okay, a to the power of m into a to the power of n, you can extend it to any number of terms. Okay, this is repeated several times while explaining the law of indices. And we have three terms here. I am applying, okay, the sum, the formula, okay, equal to three terms. That is n by p plus m by p plus n by q. Look at this. X to the power of n by p into x to the power of m by p into x to the power of n by q. Now, this is x to the power of n by p, and this is x to the power of m by p. And what Nagadanush did, because of this p common denominator, he has grouped these two things together. Am I right, Nagadanush?
Sir, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Look at this.
P is common.
P is common. Therefore, you can directly add m and n. That is x to the power of m plus n divided by p. M plus n or n plus m, both are same. Hello? Getting it? Understood? Any questions?
Understand? No questions.
No, sir. No question.
No questions. Okay, fine then. After this, x to the power of n by q, you can just keep it just like that for the time being. Okay, don't touch it for its simplification. Now we have simplified it. Now, x to the power of, this is m plus n by p into x to the power of n by q. And here in the denominator, we have what is called as x to the power of minus m by q. And you can take it to numerator, that becomes x to the power of plus m by q. You can remember the fifth law of indices. A to the power of minus m is equal to 1 divided by a to the power of plus m, or a to the power of plus m is equal to 1 divided by a to the power of minus m. Law of reciprocation. Reciprocal law of indices. Remember? Hello? This x to the power of minus m by q in the denominator, here, okay, we have taken it to numerator. That the sign changes now. Understood? Say yes or no. We are.
Can you
Yeah,
repeat
sir.
that?
Yeah,
Understood,
sir.
Oh, can you what? Somebody
Repeat,
say.
sir.
Repeat what, man?
The step which you just said, sir. Reciprocal.
Yeah. See, x to the power of m by q ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
ಯಾವುದು next ಬಂದ್ರೆ that x to the power of minus m by q will go to numerator, and that becomes x to the power of plus m by q because of the law. Fifth law of indices.
Got it, sir. Reciprocal.
Understood? Reciprocal. Numerator and denominator change ಆದಾಗ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇರೋದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇರೋದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That is the power I am speaking about, right?
Yeah, sir. Right. Got it.
Sign of the power gets reversed. Minus becomes plus and plus becomes minus. Got it? Understood?
Understood, sir.
Yeah. Now, here we remain with only x to the power of what is called as n minus 1 and m plus 1. Okay, that you can add it directly, n minus 1 and plus m plus 1, and here minus 1 and plus 1 gets cancelled. Are you following this step? X to the power of n minus 1 plus m plus 1. See here, ಈ minus ಇರೋದು ಮೇಲೊಟ್ಟೋಯ್ತು, ಈಗ ಬರೀ okay, only this m minus 1 and m plus 1 ಮಾತ್ರ ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ, n minus 1 and m plus ಮಾತ್ರ ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ, and if you add it, okay, you will be remaining with only m plus n or n plus m. Followed?
Followed, sir.
Yeah. Now from here afterwards, things may get bit difficult for the people who don't have bit no mathematical background, those who are weak in fundamentals of mathematics. LCM adella idella adu with this algebraic terms, taking LCM becomes quite difficult, and unless and until I meet you personally, I cannot explain you for those people who are very much weak in understanding the fundamentals of mathematics and the basic learning of mathematics. Usually LCM adu idu helkododu, okay, in your maybe 7th or 8th standard, maybe 7th standard, I hope so. Okay, if those kind of basics are not strong, okay, now it becomes very much difficult. Okay, anyway, I'll try to continue. Okay, or I'll give you one short-term solution also for this. Okay, so that we can end it without having LCM to be taken. And now, okay, this is x to the power of m plus n divided by p and x to the power of m plus n divided by q. And when you have such kind of terms here, what is the LCM to be taken? PQ, right? Hello? How will you add 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3? Okay, simple. Just 1 second. I'll just close the image. I'll try to understand like this. Try to understand like this. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. Here 2 is P and 3 is Q. 1 is common. Don't worry. M plus n either, no problem. And how will you take? What is the LCM between 2 and 3? What is the LCM between 2 and 3? LCM between
6, sir.
ಹೆಂಗೆ 6 ಅಂತ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎ ನಾನ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗ್ 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ.
ಸರ್ 2 into 3 6.
2 into 3 ನ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? 2 plus 2 ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು?
ಆವಾಗ 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3, 2 into 3 6, sir.
Okay, I am just asking for the sake of funniness so that other people can also understand this. Now listen to me. LCM basics kotogtini now. I am going to the roots of LCM. All of you, please, commerce based students, arts based students, non-science students, weak students, slow learning students, ಯಾರು ಇದಾರೆ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಪ್ರಾಬಬಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ 7th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಟೀಚರ್ನು ಸಹ ಈ ತರ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. LCM ಗೆ LCM is called as least common multiple. Least common multiple anta. Okay, 2 tables helta banni. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, like that. 2 table bariri. Okay, if you say 2 4 6 8 10 12, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. ಇದು ಎರಡರದ ಮಗ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Hello? Hello? Agreed? I am going to the roots of your basics LCM. Agreed or not? I am answering the question why you need to take 2 into 3 blind ಆಗಿ 2 into 3 ತಗೋಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದಿರೋರಿಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ 2 into 3 ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ here is the explanation. And similarly, go to the 3's table. 3, 6, 9, 27 and ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಇವೆರಡರಲ್ಲೂ least and common, which is the number? Least and common ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ್ದೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಅದು between these three multiplication tables? Hello? Hello? Please answer me. If no one is answering, okay, what to assume? 6. Yeah. See, this is how exactly LCM is developed, to make denominator common. Moksha, have you understood this concept?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, see, if you take this 2 and 3 tables, okay, there the common number is 6. That is what is called as the least common multiple. You can apply it to any number of such fraction additions. Similarly, here P and Q, okay, there are two indifferent kind of things. It is better to multiply and then you can continue, and that gives you the LCM. Followed? Followed?
Yes, sir. Followed.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah. Sumedh, tell me.
Followed, sir.
Yeah, okay. I'll just continue. I'm exhausting, man. Yeah. Now, this is the reason why we have taken PQ here. Here, if you say PQ, now, okay, P into Q is common. Now, when you say P into Q is common, okay, in the first case, it becomes Q into N plus N, and plus, in the second case, it becomes P into N plus M. It's all about what is called as fraction addition. If you say 1 by 2 and 1 by 3, one second. Okay, 6 is common. 6 is common there, denominator. Now, in the first case, how we are getting 6 means it is 2 into 3. In the second case, how we are getting 6 is it is that is because of 3 into 2. Now, okay, here 2 and 3, that gets cross multiplied with each other of your numerators, and you will get the final answer. That's what exactly we did here in the case. Understood?
Yeah, sir, understood.
Yeah. Any questions? Anybody? Hita? Moksha? Look at this. This is P and Q common. Okay, this M plus N here, it is getting multiplied by Q, plus here M plus N, it is getting multiplied by P. And that's how we need to add fractions. You need to know the basics of LCM and also the basics of fraction addition. All the 7th standard, 8th standard mathematics, core mathematics, strong mathematics fundamentals. And there, from there onwards, okay, you can go, okay, this is into x to the power of minus n plus m. This he is taking it to numerator and he has changed the sign, and it is explained okay how he has taken P and Q as LCM also. Okay, those who can understand, you can get the point. Otherwise, you can straight away contact me, or you can write the question in the chat box so that we can answer. Now after that, okay, we are going to have the simplification. Now, okay, for the people who know the basics of mathematics, you can continue from this step onwards. If not, you can just end the answer at this stage, because from there onwards, again, okay, you need to go for okay, addition, and again okay, multiplication of unlike terms and all. Okay, that is quite difficult. Okay, this is a quite mathematical problem, not a business problem. Okay, because of that reason, we can stop the answer from here at this stage itself. Okay, x to the power of minus n plus m, we can stop the answer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, you can stop the answer at that particular point, because further simplification needs, okay, sorry to say this, for non-science students, it is quite difficult. I can understand the pain and the agony of understanding mathematics, okay, who are not very much good in the basics. Okay, not necessarily all of you, all of the people should have this basic fundamental strong mathematics knowledge. Not necessarily, even that also you can do. Okay, only thing is, okay, problem with the basics learning, basic learning aste. Kellu strong irtare, kellu weak irtare. I cannot go to the very basic roots and then I cannot teach you LCM and addition and all. Okay, because that problem, I'm suggesting that you can stop the answer at that level itself, x to the power of minus n plus m, and you have taken the LCM and then added. Don't go for next 2 steps. Okay, if the evaluator is nice and smart and student friendly, he can take up the answer. Otherwise, he may cut 1 mark. No problem. It all depends. I cannot guarantee anything on this. Any questions I can take now?
No, sir. Got your point.
Okay. Teaching mathematics online is very much challenging. Are you getting my point? Hello?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
Teaching mathematics online, that too teaching such kind of mathematics with the application of laws, is very, very challenging and difficult. Unless and until you have a very good hold on the subject, you cannot address the issues like, okay, such kind of queries and the questions. Not so easy. Yes, understood? Any questions?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Any questions, any kind of clarifications, you can directly call me. You have, all of you have got my number. Okay, you can send the question in the WhatsApp, okay, to my number, or you can call me and you can mail me. Whatever the best thing that is possible from my end, I am ready to solve. Okay, give you my best. That much I can promise you. Okay, bye then. I'm closing
Bye.
it.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I'm
Thank you, sir.
closing
Thank you,
it.
sir. Thank you.
I'm closing it.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. And tomorrow